What's up, Niners? My name is Brandon Ngo. I'm currently a senior here at UNC Charlotte. I am majoring in computer science with a concentration of data science. For the past 2 years, I've had a privilege working with Niner Stats with Professor John Tobias. We primarily focus on the men's basketball team. Our team of 8, we go to all the practices and all the games. We track specific stats that the coaching staff requests for us to give us a competitive edge for our future opponents. At practice, we use the stats that we collect to track their paint touches and passes because rebounding is our focal point for our basketball team. So our team specifically works with Coach Danny Blaze. He is the director of the scouting for UNC Charlotte, and he asks us for specific stats, especially for game day specials. We recently had to track other teams' rejected ball screens. We also collected rebounds, offensive rebounds off of our boards. We communicate with Coach DB throughout the games and practices. We give him screenshots of the data that we collected on our Google Drive. This consists of all the paint touches, all the game data that we have collected over the past couple of weeks, either in practices or even at games. This gives us a competitive advantage over other teams and seeing where we can work on and what we can implement into practices for future games. Being a part of Niner Stats has given us a lot of opportunities to work with professionals. We had an opportunity to be a part of the Syracuse basketball analytics competition last year, where we were able to crunch down databases with the NBA and also get graded by actual NBA analysts. And we got second place right behind Syracuse. So that's a big accomplishment for Niner Stats. My name is Brandon Ngo, and I am part of the Niner Stats team here at UNC Charlotte.